Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp microphone problem PC. To know how to fix WhatsApp microphone problem PC, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. Then in this page you will go to click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp. And here in this page you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and here you will go to clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.